Hello mga ka-operators at sa ating mga poging tok-tok riders. Ngayon, explain ko sa inyo ang importance ng motorcycle insurance. It's a comprehensive insurance na kinukuha natin sa ating motor, no? Very important to, lalo na uso ang mga pagnanakaw, mga aksidente na hindi natin inaasahan, 'di ba? So, very important ito. So, i-explain ko dito kung ah, yung ano yung mga benefits, ano ba yung kino-cover, ano ba yung mga kailangang requirements. So, importante din yon pag nagkaroon tayo ng aksidente or makabangga tayo. So, ano yung mga requirements na ito? Dito malalaman natin. And then also yung magkano mako-cover. Okay? And then dito, meron din akong mga sample na quotation, then also yung in offers ng ibang insurance, okay, sa mga motorcycle. Okay, so explain ko ngayon ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng motorcycle insurance. The motorcycle is easier to steal and more susceptible to damages, and that's the reason your motorcycle needs to be insured. You need to have a comprehensive policy for complete protection. This is not only covers you against a third-party liability, but the damages caused by fire, theft, external explosion, self-ignition, lightning, burglary, riot strikes, earthquakes, floods, cyclones, accidents, malicious acts can be availed. Ayan. So, importante pala to kasi marami siyang kino-cover, no? Hindi lang yung biglang masunog, no, yung ating motor, magkaroon ng explosion, yan. Pag nagkaroon ng earthquake, yan, madamage yung motor natin, tapos lumubog sa baha. So, isa rin yun. Okay? So, pag nagkaroon din ng riot, strikes, yan. So, marami pa. So, marami siyang kino-covered pag comprehensive motorcycle insurance. So, napakaganda, di ba? So, ano yung benefits of buying motor insurance? Number one, it protects against personal accident like death or permanent disability of rider. Ayan. So, maganda pala to dahil once na nagkaroon ng aksidente ang rider at biglang namatay, no? So, covered. Covered, diba? So, may ma-receive ang beneficiary. Okay? Or either maputulan siya ng paa at di na siya makabiyahe, na total talagang permanent disabled. So, yung rider, may makukuha din siya. Cover din yun ng motorcycle comprehensive insurance. Number 2, it covers damages to the third party to your vehicle. So, ano ibig sabihin yun? So, pag tayo, halimbawa, ang motor natin, nakasira tayo ng property, no? It's a third party, no? Either bagay ba yan, okay? So, nasira natin, no? Dahil sa motor natin, hindi na sinasadya, biglang nabangga natin yun, at nasira o na-damage, so it covers. At saka, pangatlo, covers from your vehicle to the third party damage. Ayan. Halimbawa, tayo, ano ibig sabihin naman to? Yung motor natin, tayo naman ang binangga ng third party ng ibang either sasakyan or motor at nagkaroon ng damage. Yan. Kino-cover din niya ito. So, meron tayong parang repair limit. Okay? So, ano pa yung pang-apat? Ito yung theft. So, pag nanakaw ang motor natin. So, ang hirap, diba? Lalo na yung mga rider na kumukuha ng hulugan. Tapos, biglang, hindi nila napaka-comprehensive. Nakuha na ng comprehensive insurance. Walang theft. Pag nanakaw, paano mo na mare-recover yun? Tapos, magbabayad ka pa rin. So, ang hirap, diba? So, kailangan pala doon tayong ganitong classic insurance. Comprehensive. Para, may makuha tayo kahit papaano. May maklaim pa rin tayo sa insurance. At babayaran tayo ng insurance kung maging value nun ng ating motor. Okay? So ito, sample yan. Yung mga aksidente hindi natin maiwasan. Okay, magbangga man ng parehong motor at maaksidente ang rider. Yan. Wait, or tayo ang binangga ng mga kotse at naaksidente tayo. So, yun. Dito, explain ko naman ano ang mga claims procedure at yung mga requirements pag once na nagkaroon ng damage o pag nag-claim na tayo. Either own damage, ang ating motor ay na-damage, okay? Or pangalawa, third party bodily injury or death claim. Ayan. Pag nakabangga tayo ng ibang tao, ayan. Or pag namatay yung rider na aksidente at namatay, ano yung mga requirements? Then, third party property damage claim. Ayan. Pag tayo naman, ibig sabihin naman third party, pag nakasira tayo ng mga properties, okay, ano yung mga requirements? So, unang-una, dito muna tayo sa own damage claim. Ano ba yung mga requirements sa own damage claim? Ayan, number 1 is photocopy registration, certificate, and latest OR. Okay? Number 2, photocopy of driver's license and OR. Number 3, police report and or driver's affidavit duly notarized. Okay? So, laging kailangan may police report. Photocopy of the insurance policy and or premium payment. Okay? Halimbawa pala dun sa police report and driver's affidavit, what's the difference, no? Kung sa highway nangyari yung accident, police report, pero kung sa within barangay lang siya, subdivision, kahit affidavit, notarize siya. Okay? Then, picture of the damage unit. Kasi very important yung picture nyo yung unit. Okay? Yung damage area. Okay? Then, repair estimate. So, kung saan yung mga malapit na shop, accredited shop, yan, ipa-estimate natin yan. Importante rin yun para ma-evaluate kung magkano yung magiging cost of repair nandun nakasaad. Then, other documents that may be required. So, just in case may hiningi pa si underwriting or claims department, they will advise. Okay? So, ito naman tayo sa third party bodily injury or death claim. Okay? Pag nakabangga tayo ng ibang tao or biglang namatay si rider, anong mga requirements? Ito yung photocopy registration and certificate in latest OR. Photocopy of driver's license and OR. Police report or driver's affidavit duly notarized, photocopy of insurance policy, and OR of premium payment. Okay, picture of the injured person, so kailangan natin picturean din yon. Medical certificate, original kailangan. Hospital statement of account, charge slips, OR original. Yan. Professional fee, OR original din. Photocopy of birth certificate of the third party and parents. Marriage contract. Yan. So, ibig sabihin yung, halimbawa, yung birth certificate ng taong na-injured natin. Okay? Then, other documents that may be required. So, kung meron pa silang i-require na documents, yan, sasabihin naman sa inyo. Then, pangatlo naman yung third party property damage claim. Ano yung mga requirements na yon? Okay, ito yung mga halimbawa, photocopy registration, certificate, and latest OR. Photocopy driver's license and official receipt. Police report or driver's affidavit duly notarized. Photocopy insurance policy and or premium payment. So, importanteng laging natin yun na itago yung mga policy ng mga sa motor, i-separate natin yon para pag nagkaroon man ng problema, naka-file siya ng maayos at makita ng ating mga immediate family. Photocopy of the insurance policy and OR premium payment. Yan yung mga resibo na pinagbayaran natin sa insurance nung kumuha tayo ng motorcycle comprehensive insurance. Ayan. Picture of the damage unit. Okay. Repair estimate. Then, certificate of no own damage claim issued by third-party insurer. Okay, and then other documents that may be required. Yan yung mga requirements ng third party. Pag damage tayo ng third party property damage. Okay? So, ito ngayon, explain ko sa inyo, merong ino-offer ang isang insurance company, Malayans. This is the number one non-life insurance company. So, they have Motomax motorcycle insurance na ino-offer. Okay, so I'm also agent here sa Malayan. So, may kumuha na rin sa akin ng SID kasi maganda siya. Okay, mura lang siya actually for a year. So, dito, ang insurance protection to for motorcycle. Okay, ano yung mga kino-cover ng Motomax? Okay, number 1, sa LTO, it covers 100,000 compulsory third-party liability. Okay, so, di ba kumukuha tayo sa LTO ng CTPL? So, dito, include na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan. Okay, included na dito yung sa LTO yung tinatawag natin third-party liability insurance. Okay, it costs 100,000. It covers against liability for death or bodily injury of the third parties for motor vehicle accidents resulting from fault, negligence of the assured while during the insured motorcycle, driving the insured motorcycle. Okay, this is required by law when you registered motorcycle with the LTO. So yan, mandatory to ng LTO bago tayo magparehistro, di ba? So yon, ito third party, ibig sabihin pag naka-injured tayo nakabangga tayo ng ibang tao, yan. Okay, may mangyari. So, may makiklaim tayo sa insurance. Yung third party may makiklaim, no? Then, i-assist ko kayo kung ano yung mga kailangan requirements para pag once na kabangga kayo ng tao, okay, so, may makiklaim ang beneficiary nila. Okay, either death or sabihin natin na or injured, no? Okay? Ano pa? Yan, explain ko to. Sa Motomax motorcycle, it covers the accidental damage. It worth 40,000. Total loss only. Okay. So, indemnifies the assured in case of total loss claim due to accident. Okay, so ito, ibig sabihin nito, pag nagkaroon ng aksidente at na-damage ang motor natin, no? Basta makitang total loss, ibig sabihin talagang wasak siya, hindi na pwedeng magamit. May marireceive yung assured ng 40,000. Okay? What else? The driver, 20,000. Auto person accident. Okay? So, it protects the assured against misfortunes of accident by providing coverage against accidental death, dismemberment, o disability. So, pag si rider naman, aksidente, meron siyang marireceive na 20,000. Okay? Pag nagkaroon ng accident. Accidental death, or dismemberment, or disability. Okay. Then, what else? 2,000 pesos medical reimbursement marireceive ni rider. So, once na na-hospital, kunyari na-aksidente, at nagkaroon siya ng mga babayarin, no? So, kailangan mga original receipts, medical certificate na ipo-forward natin. Mare-reimburse niya kung magkano yung cost ng maging expenses niya. Okay? Result of accident, yun, of the assured. So, importante yun, original lahat yung mga requirements. Hindi pwede photocopy. Then, ano pa ang cover ni Motomax? So, burial benefit assistance, 5,000 pesos. Okay, marireceive, no? Provides financial assistance for burial expense in the event of death due to accident. So, may ma-receive ang rider na 5,000, no? Pag namatay yung rider, may ma-receive ang beneficiary na 5,000. Okay? Basta due to accident. So, this is the sample. quotation ng isang unit ng motorcycle insurance. The fair market value, the value of the motorcycle Vespa S125 is 126,000. So, the premium niya, inclusive of taxes, is 2,350. So, depende sa value yun. Ang magiging computation ng premium. Okay? So, as low as 1,000 up. Okay? So, that's the offer of Malayan Insurance Motomax. And what else? So, hindi makikita dito yung tawag dito yung quotation, masyado siyang maliit, di ba? So, okay. I-zoom out ko lang. Ito yung sample naman quotation ng 2011 Yamaha Novo. Okay? So, this is the value of the motorcycle. 40,000 own damage. Makikita natin no, sa left side. Then, theft is 45,000. Third party bodily injury, 50,000. Third party property damage, 50,000. Auto PA, accident, 50,000. Acts of nature, 50,000. So, the total premium is 3,304. Only annual to premium. Babayaran ni rider. So, mura lang. Kayang-kaya na natin to. Compare kung biglang may nangyari, nagkaroon tayo ng aksidente or nakadamage tayo ng properties, si insurance na ang bahala. So, wala na tayong alalahanin pa. At makakatulong ito para pag nagkaroon ng problema. Diba? So, lalo na pag nanakaw ang motor natin. So, meron akong napanood nun, isang rider ng NMAX, so biglang ninakawan na siya at pinatay pa. So, kawawa naman. So, kawawa rin ang pamilya. So, malaking bagay talaga pag mayroong tayong insurance. Kung nanakawan tayo, di natin alam. Kunyari, sa subdivision na, nanakawan pa tayo ng motor, nagbabayad ka ng installment. Ang hirap, di ba? Babayaran pa yun kahit nawala na. So, napakahirap. Kaya, kung may insurance ka, babayaran ka ng insurance company kung na-comprehensive siya, okay? Iba ang CTPL, iba yung comprehensive. Ang CTPL, kinukuha yon dahil mandatory ni LTO. Pag nakabangga lang tayo ng tao, okay? So, iba yung nakabangga ka ng property. It's different insurance. Ito yung comprehensive kung tinatawag. So, dahil isa pa, pag lumubog sa baha, yung motor natin, yung tinatawag na acts of nature, 50,000 it covers. Yan, pag na-aksidente rin tayo at namatay o na-disable, 50,000. Ayan, makikita natin sa sample ng quotation. Pag naka-damage tayo ng other properties, okay, 50,000. Pag naka-injured tayo ng third party, nakabangga tayo, 50,000, except pa dun sa CTPL na 100,000. At kung na-damage yung motor natin ng ibang sasakyan o motor din, 45,000. So, 3,000 lang annual premium. So, napakamura lang. So, kuha na kayo. So, wag na kayo dalawang isip kasi very important, meron tayong insurance. Okay? So, ito yung mga sample, yung mga mga delivery riders, no? Yan ang mga, hindi natin masabing minsan 24/7 iba nagbabiyahe, no? So, napakasipag ng mga ibang rider. So, ang hirap nila na paggabi, hindi natin maiwasan, no? Yung mga magnanakaw, di ba? Or minsan biglang magti-trip sa'yo dyan, karoon ng riot, madamay ka, di ba? So, hindi masabing aksidente at pwede mangyari sa rider. So, very important, naka-insured tayo. So, yun lang. Then, to just like my page, makikita nyo dito sa page yung mga ating in-offer sa insurance, health cards, whatever. Like my page, okay? Yan. At Fagapan Insurance or at health cards, okay? Then, this is the contact number. If you like na kumuha ng insurance para sa motorcycle natin, just call me at 0916-497-4125 or 0933-859-8331. I'm licensed agent ng Malain Insurance, Liberty Insurance, SGI Insurance. So, yun lang. So, matutulungan ko kayo pagdating sa claims. Ako na mag-assist sa inyo. So, yun lang. Thank you and God bless.